Welcome to today's episode of Curiosity Slays podcast. Today's going to be so much fun. I love this quote. On the wings of imagination, we soar. That quote was by Leonardo da Vinci. The desire to fly is an idea handed down to us by our ancestors who looked enviously on the birds, soaring freely through space. After all, as humans, we have always dreamt of flying, of soaring above the world like birds, of experiencing the ultimate freedom of the skies. We've seen it in the pages of science fiction novels, in the frames of blockbuster films, and in the sketches of visionary artists. Flying cars, vehicles that could whisk us away from the mundane and elevate us to the heavens. For years, this idea seemed like a far-off fantasy, an impossible dream. In the quest of turning the flying cars shown in science fiction classics like Back to the Future and the Jetsons into reality, various companies such as Toyota, Airbus, Hyundai, and even Google co-founder Larry Page-backed project Kitty Hawk have been competing to develop the first commercially viable vertical takeoff and landing VTOL vehicle. The dream of watching the flying car from 1960 is now becoming a reality after engineers working on it for more than 40 years. Among the groundbreaking developments in the vehicle industry in general, the emergence of flying vehicles has captured the collective attention of society. People find themselves both fascinated and apprehensive about the potential implications. In today's videos, we will look into the multifaceted reactions toward flying vehicles, exploring the factors driving their popularity, as well as the underlying concerns that trigger fear and skepticism. Let's get started. The concept of flying cars has long teased the human imagination, fueling visions of a futuristic world where vehicles take to the skies, defying gravity. Now, as flying cars inch closer to reality, the fascination surrounding this groundbreaking technology has become more pronounced. These vehicles hold the promise of combining the convenience of road transportation with the freedom of flight. But it is not because of the convenience that this new technology is getting attention. People want to see the science fiction dream becoming a reality. The urge to experience flying car technology prevails over convenience. The journey toward flying cars has been propelled by cutting-edge technologies in aviation, propulsion, and automation. Electric propulsion systems, advanced materials, and AI-driven navigation have enabled the development of vehicles that are both capable of traveling on road and of vertical takeoff. The concept of urban air mobility in visions is also being promoted. It is a network of flying cars operating within urban environments, reducing traffic congestion and providing faster travel. This vision has gained support from urban planners and policymakers, seeking innovative solutions to urban transportation challenges. The prospect of flying cars has ignited a widespread fascination that transcends generations and cultures. Enthusiasts, tech lovers, and those with a passion for adventure are among the first to be drawn to the charm of flying cars. The idea of gliding above traffic jams and bypassing roadblocks in a flying car represents a paradigm shift in transportation. This resonates with individuals who yearn for efficiency and seek unexplored experiences. The ability to travel previously unreachable landscapes, such as remote areas or areas with challenging topography, has captured the imagination of outdoor enthusiasts and explorers. Pop culture has also played a significant role in shaping the fascination with flying cars. Iconic films like Blade Runner and The Fifth Element have depicted futuristic cities teeming with airborne vehicles, sparking the desire to witness this reality firsthand. However, the excitement surrounding flying cars is counterbalanced by a spectrum of fears and concerns, ranging from the practical to the existential. The concept of vehicles navigating through three-dimensional airspace raises safety concerns, especially in densely populated urban environments. But here we stand, on the precipice of a new era, where the fantastical is becoming reality. The first flying car has just been certified by the FAA, heralding a future where the skies are not just the domain of birds and planes, but of everyday commuters. By 2025, this marvel of human ingenuity will be available to the public, ushering us into a new age of aerial mobility. Though it comes with a price tag of $300,000, it is a small token for a taste of the future. The advent of the flying car is not just a technological marvel, but a testament to the limitless potential of the human spirit. It shows us that the dreams of yesterday can become the realities of today. It reminds us that the sky is not a boundary, but a canvas for our imagination. So, as we prepare to embark on this new era of aerial mobility, let us remember that the flying car is more than just a vehicle. It is a realization of our collective dreams. It is a reminder that the impossible can become possible and that the sky is not the limit, but the beginning. I hope you've enjoyed today's episode of the Curiosity Slays podcast, and you'll let me know how you liked it, or if you're up for getting a flying car like Marty McFly, or you're even more of an adventurer and you'll be driving a flying car service like action hero Corbin Dallas. I absolutely love the classic movie The Fifth Element, don't you? Or are you totally a George and Judy Jetson fan? Until next time. Thanks for listening and watching if you're on the other platform. I appreciate your time and support, and most of all your interest in puzzles and mysteries, just like me. Which mystery or puzzle keeps you guessing most? I want to thank Wondercraft.ai for letting this seasoned time traveler experience 21st century technology in a safe and solid-paced environment. If you have experiences and adventures you want to share almost, and I say almost, effortlessly, then jump right into the podcast world and try Wondercraft.ai and the free trial. If you decide to jump into the deep end, because that's how you do things, then you too should use my friend's discount code. They won't mind if I share it. For 50% off the first month, use discount code CARMEN50 and enjoy the journey of becoming a podcaster. Curiosity Slays signing off.